Codfish is probably known to many of you as a distinct and salty fish, but to me, coming from a European background, is a delicious and an extremely versatile product that is a staple dish in my native country, Portugal. It is Portugal's national dish. In fact, it is so popular that the Portuguese have created over 375 different ways to cook and serve this delicious fish product. Today, I am so excited because, along with my lovely sister, I will be preparing one of my all time favorite codfish dishes. This dish is so incredibly good that even one of the biggest superstars in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, claims that this is one of his very own favorite dishes. So, let's get cooking. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe. I'm here at my local Portuguese fish market. This cod has been preserved by salting it and air drying it. Normally, I like to buy my cod with the skin and bone in, as I find it has more flavor. Typically, I try and select pieces that have a thicker loin. Then I ask the fishmonger to cut them into about 8 to 10 inch pieces. When I get home, I soak them in cold water for 3 days, changing the water 2 to 3 times a day. Then I freeze it until I'm ready to use it. Alternatively, you can now buy already desalted and deboned cod, which is available in many grocery stores and fish markets. Although it will cost you more, it will definitely save you a lot of preparation work. Well, today I'm going to use the cod that I froze and I desalted myself.
And today I'm going to make this codfish dinner with one of my favorite people in the world, my amazing sister, Lulu.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to be here.
So her name is actually Maria, but we call her Lulu. Cute, just like her. I'm going to show you all the different ingredients that we use for this traditional, amazing, mouth-watering dish.
The main ingredients in this dish are potatoes and onions. And then we have parsley, garlic, eggs, codfish, bay leaf, and of course, olive oil.
Okay, so Lulu is going to start peeling the potatoes. Lulu, you peel the potatoes and the onions.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, and I'm going to start with the codfish.
While my sister is peeling away at the potatoes, I'm going to remove the skin and all the bones from the codfish, and then I'm going to shred it into bite-sized pieces.
That's it, the onion's done.
The onions are done. See, you're too quick, Lulu. Okay, so you know what?
Wash it?
Yeah, wash it, and then we're going to, you can cut them into fries.
Okay, I'm going to give you a hand.
Shredding the codfish could be a little time consuming, so if you can get someone to help you, take the help.
We grew up eating codfish back home. My mom used to always make it, but not this particular dish, right?
No, no.
This dish she didn't make.
Or boil, fry.
Yeah. But this was, you know, this, like I said to you, is more like a delicacy that you would see in restaurants. You know, when you would eat it, you'd be like, what is this? How do you make this? And so now I've been making it for years, and oh my goodness, I'm
So
telling
delicious.
you, it is amazing. Okay, perfect. All right, so look at our codfish. Good teamwork, sis.
Yes.
Okay, so that's beautiful. So we're gonna work on the potatoes and the onions now. Okay, Lulu, so you're gonna cut the potatoes into French fries, and I'm gonna chop the onion. Okay. So we're gonna cut it into circles, just like encircle it. Okay, Lulu, my onions are done, so I'm gonna help you now. Let's see who's faster.
That's it, the last one.
Oh, but look, I do it all together. Look, Lulu.
Oh, you do it better than me.
No, I don't. I'm just kidding.
That's it.
All right.
Wash it again.
Give it a good wash.
You can cut your French fries as thinly as you like. I cut them like this because I like the taste of potatoes in this codfish dish. But if you like them thinner, by all means.
Okay, Lulu, so you're gonna chop the parsley and I'm gonna start the cookie over there. We've got our potatoes, our codfish, our onion. We're on a roll.
This dish requires a generous amount of olive oil.
Okay, so the idea is to cover the bottom of the pan with olive oil, because once we add the onion, the garlic, the codfish, trust me, all that oil is gonna just disappear. So you're gonna need a good generous amount. All right, I'm gonna turn the heat to low, and because we don't want that oil to burn. So you're gonna crack the eggs.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna prepare everything. So we're gonna use 3 eggs. We're gonna crack, beat them, and then we're gonna add the parsley. We're gonna add some black pepper. Now we always have to be very cautious how much salt we are using, because codfish is generally salty. Even though we do soak it for 3 days, you always want to taste it when it's cooking to make sure that it's good for salt. And if it's not salty, then we may want to add a little bit of salt in here. If not, we're just going to leave it. Most of the time, I don't add any salt to this dish.
Pepper. Put the parsley.
You can just smell that. Nothing here. Now we're adding the onion to the olive oil. Now it might look like a lot of onion, but trust me, when it cooks down, it's not going to be a lot. Okay, we're just going to cover it and we're just going to let it caramelize.
Yep, there's a lot of love in this kitchen. And although I love cooking, my true passion is family. Okay, the prep work is all done. The rest is easy.
Lulu, check the onion quickly. Check the onion.
I like to play around with
I
my
need to
sister in the
take the
kitchen. And why not? Cooking doesn't have to be boring. You can make it fun and exciting. And our onion is cooking beautifully, and we're just going to continue letting it cook down.
Okay, so now we're going to add a bay leaf. We're going to take 1 bay leaf and maybe another little one, just for some flavor. And look how beautiful this onion is caramelizing. Okay, just keeps cooking on slow heat. Cover it up. So now we're going to just dry our fries because we don't want them to go into the oil with any water. So we're going to just take a paper towel and dry it up a little bit. And then we're going to take one and we're going to drop it in. And look at that. So that's perfect. Okay, so we're going to just lift this up. That was hot.
So while the onion is cooking and caramelizing, we are going to make the French fries because they do take a little bit of time.
We're going to do it in a couple of batches.
Look at that. Our onion looks amazing. And although it looked like a lot in the beginning, it was the perfect amount.
Okay, so now we're going to add the codfish. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to let that codfish cook gently with the caramelized onions on low heat. And we're going to keep an eye on it, stir once in a while, but you want to be gentle when you're stirring it. Okay, we're going to check on our codfish. So it's boiling so nicely. We're going to gently give it a good stir. Okay, and it's going to release some water, so that's very normal. Our fries are ready. They're nice and crispy, but we don't need them too crispy. This is perfect. And we're gonna add the other ones. Okay, so we're gonna give our codfish another stir.
And at this point, you want to taste the codfish to ensure if it needs salt or not.
I need no salt anywhere else, so it's perfect. Okay?
Since our dish does not require any salt, I'm just going to sprinkle some black pepper on my fries.
All right.
Well, dinner is not quite done yet for my daughter, but she sure got a squeezy hug from her Auntie Lulu instead.
So our fries are almost done. Now when we put them into the frying pan, we want to leave them alone for about 10-15 minutes until they start to get crispy. Once with your fork you start to feel that they're crispy, then you can start turning them. If you turn them before, they're going to break apart because they're sort of in the boiling process. But now they're nice and crispy. I can fiddle with them and nothing's going to happen. See, these are almost done. Okay, so our fries are ready. Shut off the heat. Okay, we're just gonna let them soak in the paper towel for a few seconds and we're gonna add them to our codfish. Okay, and we're gonna check on our codfish. So it's beautifully incorporated with the onion. You cannot even tell the onion is in there. Okay, most of the water has evaporated, but we need some water because we don't want this to be dry. We still want a little bit of liquid. And we're ready to add our fries. And we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Okay. The rest. Okay, perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna give it a good stir. But you want to be gentle.
Yep, that's my Lulu. Try to squeeze in a taste.
Delicious.
Okay, Lulu, we're almost done.
Yes, we're almost done.
We have the olives. Okay, so now we're gonna add the egg and the parsley to the codfish. This looks delicious. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drizzle the egg mixture, just like that. And then we're actually gonna shut off the heat. We're just going to give it a mix. Oh, thanks, Lulu. Okay, and be very gentle. And we're gonna let that egg cook. But if you noticed, I actually turned off the heat because we don't want the egg to overcook. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna cover it up and just let it sit here for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, Lulu.
Yes.
We're all done, ready to try our food. Yeah, that one's good. Yeah. Actually, I have a bigger one here. This looks delicious, and can I just tell you, this is one of my favorite dishes of all time. So we're gonna try it, which is the best part.
I'm so excited to try
You
it.
did so good, Lulu. Thank you.
Excited.
Okay, so now we are gonna tell you what this dish is called, which is called Bacalhao A Bras. So Bacalhao A Bras, not sure how that translates into English, but it's codfish with potatoes and onions. So if you want to come up close and see,
Spooky.
so we've got the potatoes, the parsley, you don't see the onions. And do you see what I mean about all the oil? Everything is gone, so you need it that much. Lulu, give me your plate. A little bit only? Okay, because we're gonna have it later. We're gonna display it very beautifully, but for now we're just gonna...
More, too much.
Hey, Lulu.
Too much.
We gotta dress it up a little bit. I mean, we didn't really have, you know, lunch.
Well, look at that.
I'm kind of hungry, so I'm gonna have more. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of parsley, and we're just gonna put a few olives,
And we're gonna try it.
Okay, so it's very hot. Lulu, wait. She always eats her food so hot.
Delicious. Perfect. Amazing. So delicious.
You don't have to be Portuguese to try this dish. Trust me, it's a bit of work, preparation, but you will wow your guests with this dish. It's amazing.
So delicious.
Thank you, Lulu, for
You
cooking
guys
with
try
me.
it.
And Lulu's gonna come back and cook some more with me. So we will see you all next time.
Bye.
Cheers.
So delicious. Cheers.
If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.